Hi everyone, this is Deborah and today I have a YouTube tip for you. I'm also going to be unboxing my cut and emboss machine. When it comes to YouTube, you may not want to watch the full video and you might want to speed it up. And did you know you can do that? Select the three little dots that you can see sitting on top of one another in the top right hand corner of the video. This will provide you with a menu, and at the bottom of that menu you can see where it says Playback Speed. Now I currently have this set to normal on this video that I was watching. However, you can actually speed that up. So just click on the word Playback Speed and that will give you a second menu. The next menu's got everything from 0.25, which means you can slow it down to a quarter of the speed that it was, right up to 2 times, which will double the speed of the video. Just remember that when you're doing this to turn your audio down, because it also doubles the speed of the audio, so you get some pretty funny sounds. And after that you can just watch your video twice the speed at which it was recorded. The second thing I'm showing you is my new cut and emboss machine. It's an A4 machine and I'm just opening the box here. It comes with 2 embossing folders. One is the Swiss dots and the other one's this sort of hatched looking thing, and it also comes with these dies. As well, you get all the plates that you need to operate the machine, so that's an A, B and C, a metal adapter and also a soft rubbery plate. Here it is in the box and I finally managed to get it out, and here it is. I've measured it for you. It's about 13 inches long and then 9 inches from front to back. You can just see I'm putting the ruler on there, and then in terms of height it's maybe 6 inches tall. I pulled some dies out of the cupboard and some manila folder, and I'm just going to give you a demonstration now. I've turned it on and pressed run. It took me a while to figure that out, and here it goes through the machine. It does make a bit of a noise, but it's actually not too bad. So this would replace your Cuttlebug, which in my case is about 15 years old, or any other of those self-cranking machines, and it does it all automatically, which is why I actually bought it. And here comes the answer out the other end. Hopefully it's worked, and these are what I've managed to cut. Now the C plate at this point is going to be marked. It was nice and new, and I'll show you now that now it's got marks all over it from the dies that I've put through it, and that's just going to happen with these machines. The question is, has it cut it cleanly? You can see the marks on the C plate there of all the die shapes. And now I'm looking at whether or not it's cut this. Now this is, as I said, manila folder, and it's cut them wonderfully, including all the little dots that are in these particular dies and the little sort of stamped edges and everything. They came out very easily, as you can see, and I'm super pleased with this machine. So far it's all A+ from me.